I just think that the details matter. They're important to me because I like it to be the way it was and the way it should be. I'm Matthew Hill, a coach trimmer working in Sussex. Today we're going to trim a pair of front seats for an Aston Martin DB6 Mk1. We're going to start the process by laying out a hide. We're going to select the hide and mark for imperfections using a white Chinagraph pencil. Whilst we're selecting the hide, we'll be laying the patterns on, doing our best to match the grain. We use a scalpel and we cut the patterns. At that point, we'll cut out the piping. So we move into the sewing phase. Where I will use the Adler to top stitch the centre panel and the horseshoe. I will then move on to the piping phase, where I lay an 1.5 inch piping on, marking the pattern and gluing the pipings on. Once we've piped them, we can then add the border. We then pipe the border. Now about to use the Singer to do the piping, and we will pipe the centre to the border. And now we're ready for gluing and fitting the front seat cushion to the frame. We now apply the foam with the cover attached to the frame. This is now ready for fitting. Feeling the pipings, you have to feel it with your eyes closed to get a true sense of the way the piping is going to look. I would do this into my 70s if I'm physically able, and I'll have no less pleasure then than I do today or I did when I first started. The process is very enjoyable, very therapeutic. It relaxes me. I love what I do.